How are you, dear students? Today's topic is guess of definitions or short questions of chemistry. Guess is number 1 physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, number 2 organic chemistry, element, biochemistry, number 3 relative atomic mass, mole, number 4 heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture, number 5 empirical and molecular formula, number 6 difference between shell and subshell, number 7 isotopes, two properties of cathodes, two properties of positivities, number 8 Mendeleev's periodic law, number 9 modern periodic law, number 10 atomic radius shielding effect, number 11 Boyle's and Charles's law, number 12 octet rule, ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, hydrogen bonding, diffusion, fusion, solute, solvent. It is very useful guess. Now I want permission. Goodbye.